I'd like to talk about working out at home because it's something that I genuinely enjoy doing and it's become a really important part of my daily routine. I usually work out first thing in the morning before I start working. I find that's when I have the most energy, so it sets me up nicely for the rest of the day. I don't really go to the gym or use any equipment. I just exercise at home using my own body weight. I normally start with some ab exercises such as planks or different types of crunches to strengthen my core. Once I've done those, I move on to my arms. One exercise that I do quite a lot is making small circles with my arms. It sounds ridiculously easy, but after a minute or so, my shoulders are just absolutely on fire. So it's much tougher than people expect. After that, I spend a bit of time working on my glutes because I'd like to build more strength in my lower body. These exercises are probably the hardest part of my routine, but they are also the most satisfying because I can actually see myself getting stronger over time. The thing I enjoy most isn't really the exercise itself, it's how I feel afterwards. My mind feels much clearer, I'm in a much better mood, and I have far more energy throughout the day. If I've got a long list of things to do, exercising helps me feel much more focused instead of just overwhelmed. I've also realized that it's taught me quite a lot about discipline. There are mornings when I much rather stay in bed, but I've learned that I don't have to feel motivated every single day. As long as I show up and do something, even if it's only a short workout, I always finish feeling pleased that I make the effort. Looking back, it's become much more than a way of keeping fit. It's something that helps me look after both my physical and mental well-being.